Hey friend, welcome back to the channel. If you ever said, I just wish someone could show me how to start a digital business that actually works, this video is for you. I'm walking you through exactly how I set up my digital business, step by step. Even when I was brand new, no experience, no audience, no clue what to post. I'll show you the tools I used, how I started sharing, how I started getting traffic, and how I made my first few sales without being salesy. Because here's the truth. You don't learn by watching or waiting. You learn by doing what digital business builders do. That's what I did, and that's what you're about to see. So grab a notebook because I'm breaking this all down simply. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your system, create content that connects, and start getting sales even if you're brand new. Let's dive in. What you're building. So first, what are we actually building here? This is a digital business system, not a side hustle guessing game. You're learning skills, using real tools, selling a digital product that pays you 100% profit. You're not creating from scratch. You're starting with something proven and adding your own unique spin. Here's the big shift. Instead of chasing trends, you're modeling what's already working and letting your story make it stand out. When I first started, I went through a community program that helped me set up everything step by step. My product, my marketing, my traffic systems. I learned that the key is to, 1, go through it, learn what you're offering. 2, understand it, put it in your own words. 3, use it, set it up, and get real results for yourself. 4, share it. That's what builds trust. You cannot sell what you just don't understand, and that's the biggest difference between people who win and those who quit. When I started showing people what I was learning, they naturally wanted to know more. And the best part, it never felt like selling. It felt like sharing. So what you're building is a business that teaches, inspires, and helps others while paying you directly. Pretty powerful, right? Share while you learn. Now this is where most people overthink. They ask, but what do I post? I haven't made any money yet. Listen, your content isn't about being perfect or having huge results. It's about showing your process. When people see you doing it, they believe they can do it too. So here's what I did and what works best. I started sharing my journey. Simple updates like just set up my first digital system today, feeling so relieved to finally know what to do next. Learning how to build my email list. Never thought I'd be able to do this, but actually exciting. You see, what happens? You become relatable. That's how you start building your audience. Not from fancy graphics, but from honest progress. Here's the secret. You don't need to be inspiring. You just need to be real. I used to think I had to look perfect on camera, but my best performing videos were the ones where I was just talking, just like this, like a friend explaining what's working. You can do the same, because the person watching you doesn't want a guru. They want proof that this is possible for them too. Creating visibility. Let's talk about visibility, because this is where most digital business owners make or break it. You can have the best product in the world, but if no one knows you exist, nothing happens. That's why I made video my foundation. I started on YouTube, long form content like this, and then use clips and snippets as shorts videos on TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Here's why this matters. Every platform is a recommendation engine. When you post content on your audience, when you post content that your audience already watches, the algorithm starts recommending you to more people like them. So instead of trying to go viral, focus on being relevant. Ask yourself, what are my people already watching? What problems are they trying to solve? What emotions are they feeling right before they find me? Now your job is to speak directly to that. Let me give you an example. If you're building a digital business through turnkey flow, your audience might be saying things like, I'm tired of guessing. I wish someone would just show me how to do it. I'm ready to learn a skill that pays. Your content becomes the bridge that answers those thoughts. Show your behind the scenes. Show your learning moments. Show what's possible. Here's what I post weekly. At least one YouTube video like this, 3 to 5 shorts, YouTube shorts, daily stories or quick updates, one mini training or tip post, one here's what's possible story. And I treat it like my DMO, daily method of operation, because your business doesn't grow from occasional effort. It grows from consistent visibility. People need to see you often to trust you. Remember, best known beats best product. So commit to showing up daily, not perfectly, consistently. Turning traffic into leads. All right, now that people are seeing your content, what's next? You need to capture that attention and turn it into a list. This is where your capture page in your email system comes in. If you've never built an email list before, don't worry. It's simpler than it sounds. You'll need two things. A capture page where people enter their name and email address, and two, an email service to automatically follow up and build the relationship. When someone watches your video and loves your content and clicks on your link, they join your world. Now you can keep helping them through email, which is where most sales happen. Let me break it down. In your description or bio, your call to action should be something like, want to learn how I built this system? Click here to watch the free training. That takes them to your capture page. Once they enter their info, your system delivers a sequence of emails. Email 1, for example, welcome who you are and what they can expect. Email 2, what's inside the system and how it works. Email 3, what's possible, stories, examples, inspiration. And email 4, gentle follow-ups, answering questions and inviting them to take action. This is how you build trust on autopilot. Here's the truth. Your content builds curiosity, but your email list builds conversion. Because once someone's on your list, you're not just a video they scroll by, you're someone they're learning from. And that's how digital business gets powerful. It's not about chasing clicks, it's about building connection. Staying consistent and closing. All right, let's bring this home. You've learned how to set up your system, share while you learn, stay visible with content, turn traffic into leads. Now it's about creating your new normal. That means showing up every day, even when it feels small, because every post, every email, every video builds momentum. You don't have to be loud. You just have to be consistent. Remember this. When you show up consistently, people start associating your name with possibility. And that's when your business takes off. So here's your next step. If you want to learn how to set up your own digital business with a ready-to-sell product, training, and mentorship included, the link's right below this video or inside the description or even in the comment section, top comment pinned. In this same system, I used to start, grow, and build my foundation, and it's designed for beginners who are ready to move. So give yourself the green light. Don't wait for perfect. Don't wait for confidence. You build confidence by doing the thing. Your business can be live this weekend. Your first sale can happen this month. And your normal can start today. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment with your biggest takeaway. Subscribe if this has helped you. And I'll see you in the next one. Start showing up, stay consistent, and build your freedom one video at a time.